I'm craving for some comfort food for lunch, and it will be this tuna salad. And the great thing about this tuna salad is that it only includes 3 basic ingredients. We need to have canned tuna. I already had this at home. Dijon mustard and mayonnaise. And to give it some extra, you can add some fresh greens you already had at home. Today will be some celery. This gives the salad a crunchy bite, and I love that. Red onion for a savory balance. Chop the red onion in small pieces. I'm also using fresh dill. That gives it a special herbaceous taste in the salad, and I really love that, especially with fish. You can also add some parsley in it if you already have it at home. And optionally, you can also use an apple. Not a lot, just a little bit, just to give it a fresh taste. Then drain the tuna and add this to a bowl. Along with the mayonnaise and the Dijon mustard. And by the way, you can replace the mayonnaise with Greek yogurt if you want to go for a lighter option. The thing is, I love to eat good food any time of the day, but as a busy mommy, I just don't have the time for it. And that's why I really need to have simple ingredients, which I can make in a minute or in a few minutes. And tuna salad is actually always a salad I love to make when I'm in a hurry. You can add some salt and pepper to taste. Cut it in half. And this is what you want. Goodness in a sandwich.